Moses was a powerful prosperity teacher, teaching us how to exit out of limitation to our greater good. That's where the word Exodus, the book of Exodus, means to exit out of. And he's shown us the law of cause and effect and how to raise our staff of power for bringing forth good in our life. Well, let's continue this journey with Moses as we look at the plagues and the parting of the Red Sea. How do we get through our limitations? How do we deal with the challenges and become fearless? So on October 20th, here at the Unity Center at 11 a.m., we're going to talk about the prosperity law of fearlessness. And then after the service at 1 o'clock, we're going to do a special workshop in person and online called Calm in the Chaos, Managing Election Stress. And that'll be from 1 to 2:30 in person and online. I hope you can come. I look forward to sharing both of those experiences with you. And please tell a friend. Do you know anybody who could find greater calm in the chaos and needs to manage election stress? Let them know. I look forward to seeing you on October 20th. See you soon.